Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to disable notification vibrations on Google Chrome. If you find those vibrations distracting, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. Make sure you have it running on your device. This is the foundation for making any adjustments to your settings. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of your browser window. This icon opens up a menu with various options that will help you navigate through Chrome's features. Once you've clicked on the three dots, click on Settings. This section allows you to customize how Chrome operates, including notifications and their vibrations. Now scroll down until you find the Notifications option. This is where you can manage how Chrome alerts you about different activities and updates from websites. Finally, to disable vibration, simply toggle off the vibration setting. This action will ensure that you no longer receive any vibration alerts when notifications come through. And that's it. You've successfully disabled notification vibrations on Google Chrome. Enjoy a quieter browsing experience without those annoying vibrations interrupting your focus. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Thank you for watching.